Hey guys, I've just finished up a little session. They're pretty bit quiet on top, a couple of buffs, but you'll see anyway. But ended up getting a couple on a lure that I actually found in the river one day. So it's not a lure that I'd usually go out and buy, but I found it, and it's actually a good little lure. So little cicada diving thing, but yeah, anyway, hey, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, help us out a bit, and yeah, enjoy. Oh. Come on. Scared the you-know-what out of me. Oh, there we go. Hit it on the paws. Feels like a cod too. Oh, yep. Nice cod. Come on, mate. Come say hello. Yes. Oh. There we go. First one for the morning. Had 3 buffs. Yeah, as you probably would have seen. And I thought, bugger it, I'll change to a hard body. I got him on that little cicada, little diver. So he's a nice little fish, but we'll get him back. Oh, get out of it. Oh, I knew there'd be one there. Hopefully he comes back. Oh, pretty well had him hooked up, and I couldn't set the hook. I've got no bloody room to move. Oh, there we go. Yellow. Oh, codfish. Nice. Thought he was a yellow. Settle down, brother. Nice. Man, the little Zacata's going good today. There we go. Another nice little codfish on that little Zacata. He's probably a 50 or so. Nice fish. Rightio, get him out, get him back in. Just pinned in the top of the, right in the top of the mouth. It's lucky I just changed my trebles before too on this because I was being a bit lazy. One treble was down to, one had broken off one and the other one was down to one, so it would have cost me a fish, no doubt, so I just sat and changed them. There he is. Thanks, champion. Oh. Sweet. See if we can get another.